Alright guys, so this just debuted about a few hours ago. It's by newscientist.com. It's an article on there, and its debut article is hackers are using AI to find software bugs, but there is a downside. So artificial intelligence models similar to ChatGPT are able to identify errors in computer code, letting people claim rewards for finding them. But others are using the same tools to report bugs that don't actually exist. So here, hackers are using artificial intelligence tools to find bugs in computer code and claim rewards worth thousands of dollars. However, others are using the same AI tools to generate realistic but nonsensical bug reports, making it hard to know which to trust. Bug bounty schemes offer financial rewards for people who can find flaws in software. These schemes have been used in cybersecurity for decades to encourage people to report problems for programmers in security. Okay, so for me to keep reading this article, it's asking for a few details like email address. I believe it's some kind of paywall again, but we're not going to go into that because it should be free. So we'll just go to the next article. This one is by MSN. Rise of AI moderators, enhancing fairness, efficiency in public discourse. So here, in the dynamic world of public discourse, the role of the moderator is critical, guiding discussions at conferences, debates, and interviews to ensure they remain relevant and civil. As passionate tinkerers with a deep background in conference organization and a profound belief in the transformative power of artificial intelligence, we've always been intrigued by the potential to enhance user experience through technology. So this drive led us to develop Bubby, a conversational AI panel moderator, marking a significant shift in how moderated sessions are conducted and perceived. So it goes on to say, our journey began with a desire to create better experiences for attendees and showcase how technology can make interactions more conversational and engaging. So today, Bubby stands as a testament to our commitment, promising to revolutionize public discourse by enhancing fairness, reducing bias, and enriching discussions across various settings. So let's explore how AI moderators like Bubby can transform the landscape of moderated events. So human moderators, despite their best intentions, come with inherent limitations. Even well-intentioned moderators can unconsciously introduce bias based on their personal beliefs, experiences, or cultural backgrounds, potentially skewing discussions. Maintaining consistency in moderation, qualify, and rules across different sessions and topics can be challenging for humans who may vary in their energy levels and attention throughout an event. Furthermore, humans can only retain and recall a finite amount of information, which might restrict their ability to fact-check or provide context during discussions. AI moderators such as Bubby are designed to address these challenges effectively. They can be programmed to follow strict, predefined rules without personal bias or emotional influence, ensuring neutrality and consistency in moderation, which is crucial in debates and interviews where fairness is paramount. AI moderators can access vast databases of information in real time, providing accurate, fact-checking, and enriching the discussion with relevant data and statistics. This capability not only enhances the credibility of the discourse, but also keeps the conversation informed and grounded in facts. The efficiency and adaptability of AI moderators make them particularly useful in large conferences or multi-panel events. They can manage multiple discussions simultaneously and adjust their approach based on the audience and context, without the fear of personal repercussions. AI moderators can pose more challenging and probing questions, leading to deeper insights and more rigorous discussions, pushing participants to clarify their positions and think critically. Through machine learning algorithms, AI moderators like Bubby can continually improve their questioning tactics and understanding of complex topics based on past interactions. So AI moderators are increasingly being utilized across various platforms and industries, mostly in code or text form, to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of moderation. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram use AI to automate the moderation of abusive content, including hate speech and cyberbullying. E-commerce and dating websites employ AI to moderate sexually explicit or inappropriate content through image processing technologies. AI is crucial for moderating live content during real-time events and streams where rapid analysis of content is necessary. So YouTube uses AI moderators to scan and moderate video content, leveraging computer vision technology. So user-generated content platforms handle vast amounts of content using AI moderation tools, ensuring compliance with community guidelines. Gaming and online communities such as Microsoft's Azure AI, content safety, moderate user-generated game artifacts, and chat rooms. So AI moderation services also filter out inappropriate content in educational materials. The transition from traditional content moderation to conversational AI is marked by advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, enabling AI systems like Bubi to facilitate and enhance human interaction in real time. Bubi serves as a proof of concept for more engaging and valuable panel discussions, demonstrating how conversational AI can transform public discourse. As conversational and voice AI technologies continue to mature, we are witnessing a paradigm shift where the future of user interface and user experience is becoming increasingly conversational. The potential applications of these technologies extend well beyond their current use cases, promising to revolutionize a multitude of sectors in the workplace. AI moderators could oversee virtual meetings and collaborative projects so discussions remain on topic and equitable, summarizing key points and action items automatically. This could enhance productivity and ensure all voices are heard equally, minimizing dominance by more assertive personalities. So in educational settings, conversational AI could serve not just as a moderator, but as a dynamic facilitator for group discussions, debates, and peer learning. AI could adapt discussions based on the comprehension level of students, ask probing questions to deepen understanding, and provide instant feedback. Customer service could be revolutionized by AI handling initial inquiries and moderating multi-party negotiations or support sessions, with the customer concerns addressed efficiently and without bias. So government and public sector meetings could be moderated by AI to ensure compliance with regulations, streamline decision-making processes, and maintain records of discussions for transparency and accountability in healthcare. In healthcare, conversational AI could moderate discussions between patients and multiple specialists so that all relevant information is considered and communicated clearly during consultations. These future applications not only illustrate the versatility of conversational AI, but also underscore its potential to foster more organized, fair, and productive interactions across a spectrum of human activities. As these technologies integrate deeper into our social and professional fabrics, the importance of managing and developing them responsibly grows, so they augment human capabilities while preserving essential human values. As we explore the expanding capabilities of conversational and voice AI, it becomes clear that these technologies offer distinct advantages over human moderators that are critical for our increasingly digital and fast-paced world. AI systems such as Bubi can process vast amounts of information simultaneously and with precision, far surpassing human capabilities in consistency and neutrality. This allows for a level of fairness in moderation that is hard to achieve with human moderators, who may bring unconscious biases into their decision-making. Additionally, AI's ability to learn and adapt continually from data means that these systems can improve over time, offering increasingly refined insights and responses that can dynamically evolve with the needs of the discussion. So by integrating AI moderators into various sectors, ranging from education to public service, we not only enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of these interactions, but also pave the way for a future where discussions are more inclusive, balanced, and informed. The the adoption of AI moderators promises not just to support but to transform how we communicate so that we leverage the best technology to foster clearer, fairer, and more productive dialogue. Okay, so essentially, they're trying to streamline everything. Of course, they made reference to the fact that humans do not always have the relevant information, and at the same time, they're not always accurate. And as time goes on, they become less and less cohesive in whatever they're doing. And so they're trying to get the AI moderator, this new AI thing they're working on, to moderate every sector that they can put it in. Public speaking. Here they talked about UI and UX design, so product management. This goes far beyond coding. This is like a whole new thing of like, where before we were like, okay, AI is only going to take a few jobs here and there. Now we have something that is coming for everything that refers to conversation. So conversational AI. So essentially, if it far surpasses the knowledge of any doctor, what is the need for that doctor besides them now becoming a sort of a salesperson for this AI, and then they can reach out to multiple clients all at once. You had a rollout of quite a few doctors during COVID-19 where they were online. I made reference to this before, I think in previous video. Currently, what I believe is that they're going to have it so that you really just don't have to visit the doctor. Or whatever you visit is just some kind of robot that is conversational. It's more accurate than a normal doctor, and it provides you medication, because obviously it can pass anything. It can pass the medical exam. It has complete knowledge, complete accuracy, and so they'll use an AI doctor. They'll use an AI for product management to oversee UI and UX designers. But eventually UI and UX is not going to really exist because there's other AIs to really do that. So you have an AI moderator moderating AIs who are doing specific tasks. I believe they call them AI agents. So when they do a specific skill, they are an AI agent. But obviously, if this is something that oversees it, it's a moderator. So an AI moderator moderates AI agents who then sell to whoever is buying whatever thing. So you really could just make an entire company based off of AI. An AI sales team with an AI moderator to oversee it, and then it just works in the background 24/7, which is probably where they're going. I mean, this is Microsoft, so when it comes to Microsoft, they really don't care. They're going to push forward with this technology one way or another. And the way they're phrasing it, it's going to keep things fair. It's going to stop personalities who are too extreme on one end or the other by facilitating fairness. You have essentially an AI boss, a boss that is AI that is overseeing everything. So when you have the AI in whatever discussion, it comes in with brute force, like, okay, you're a bit too loud, let's go on and keep everything civil. That's literally what a boss does, a manager does. So you have an AI manager now who's going to oversee UI and UX projects relatively in the near future. I shouldn't say future. I mean, by the end of this year, you should be seeing a whole new rollout of stuff. And at the same time, you should be seeing a whole new bunch of people getting laid off from a whole new sector we really didn't see coming. Elon Musk himself talked about AGI, artificial general intelligence, coming by the end of this year. So we should be seeing quite a few things that are quite crazy. By the way, this article itself came out about 40 minutes ago. Okay, so that's just what they're planning. I mean, they have a picture here of people at a certain summit, and what they're saying is that the AI will be responsible for really keeping things civil, even in a live debate. So they'll be implemented live on any kind of debate, podcast, work, and in the most scary part of this is the government sector itself. So they're going to be in the government public space, and they're going to be overseeing so much stuff to make sure things are fair and equal. But fair to who? Equal to who? Under whose control? So you have an AI in the government that follows the government's rule. So it's really just more ways that could probably infringe on your speech and at the same time really make your workday more hell-like. Because imagine you're at work and now you have an AI boss who really has no understanding of what a human being is, which, to be honest, they're mostly like that anyway. But with this AI, it's a legitimate cold-blooded robot that has no understanding of whatever you're going through. It's just programmed by higher ups to get the most out of you, and so they're obviously going to use abusive tactics. It's quite intense, and then obviously it's going to be in government itself. They will implement this in government. That's what they're gunning for, and of course because it's Microsoft, they'll get what they want, one way or another, allegedly, I have to say. But I think that's just what they're going for. It's really quite intense. They're pushing for all sectors to have this in. Quite an unusual name to call it, Bubby. I'm not sure why. It probably means some kind of long and stretched out name for them for no reason, that they've just called it this. But there's quite a few like upcoming things with AI, especially with the release of like AI devices itself, devices coming in pre-programmed with the AI on it, and that's what Apple is shooting for. I think by next year, that's what they're shooting for, to actually have it made, and then they'll roll it out eventually after that. But there's been a lot of work behind it. There's been a lot of speculation on what that's going to look like. I mean, everyone has ChatGPT already on either their computer or their phones. How does it make sense that you have a dedicated phone for it? What really would it do? Well, there's quite a few things. One is that it can, in real time, on your device, the AI is active on every single function. So your camera, your email, your daily planner, your calendar, your social media, and it can summarize things in any given way, and at the same time you can have voice commands and it will read back anything you want because it has full access to it all, which is quite scary. Of course, your phone itself, you know that they have unusual privacy laws, so of course they can see things. But with this AI, the trouble is that it has access to everything all at once, all your messages, all your text messages, all your emails. It has the ability to summarize it in real time for you, give it back to you, make a Word document, or from voice command, which sounds really good, yes, but obviously, again, with the privacy, I mean, any picture you take, your camera itself, you can use the AI and just speak back to it of like, okay, zoom in, zoom out, edit it for me, make it look like a cartoon, make it look like this. You have a full-on editor on there, on your phone, right at the given moment. Which, yes, is quite cool, but I mean, if someone just hacks into the AI itself, it has full access to the entire phone, the entire, like every single thing, all your passwords. And then let's say you have banking apps on there. It's even more breaches of this privacy, because they're all going through one company, right? One company has the AI. You just have to breach into that single company, and then it becomes a really, really unpredictable storm. So that's just some of the concerns with it. But obviously, there's quite a few cool things. I would say let's say they do roll this out. Maybe you don't put a lot of your personal stuff on there. You have two phones. One that's a bit more dumbed down for all of your personal things, and then the other one for, all of your entertainment, all the stuff that you really need to do for things like your business, editing, the basic stuff, scheduling, stuff like that. Apparently, with the new AI, it will personalize everything continuously to you. So it'll track your entire day-to-day, and it can build a schedule for you based on your needs and requirements. You can just speak to it, and yeah, it'll do its thing. Obviously, you know about Siri. Siri's been around has been with us for quite a while, but this is just like a super duper upgrade of it having much more capability and a lot more control in your hands. But that was today's special. I will come back tomorrow and I will tell you guys about the new crazy stuff that's going on. This was quite intense. I must say. The fact that it just came out like 40 minutes ago is quite crazy. But as you can see, things are escalating quite a bit. So yeah, see you guys soon. Take care of yourselves. We'll be dropping some more content tomorrow, just so you can see every day. Keep up to date with what's going on with AI, especially, and as you can see and update yourself on just information as things go along. Well, anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow.